One of the shortcuts to select text in Microsoft Word is working with the selection bar. Have you ever used the selection bar? Just think of this as the left margin of your Word document. To locate the selection bar area, move your mouse to the left of the text until it changes from an uppercase I to a white arrow. Try these selection tricks. Click once to highlight an entire line. Click and drag to select multiple lines. Double-click to select the whole paragraph. And one more. Triple-click. Can you do it? To highlight the entire document. This is great for overall changes such as font formatting. For more handy tips, check out our video on keyboard shortcuts for selecting text in Word. For a handout of shortcuts for Microsoft Word or to sign up for my tips newsletter, visit thesoftwarepro.com/word. If this training was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.